guys. Anybody that is on the Facebook sites may have seen me moaning about an eBay purchase. Excuse me. I bought this little Gerda 30mm. Works beautifully. It's double ball locking, so nice and secure. Only problem was when I got it, the keyhole is see if I can make it a bit better, is tiny. And the key, I'll just give you an example. This is the key out of an Abus. Literally, I mean, it's just dinky. You're never gonna get a standard pick in there. So, out with my zoom you back out with my tiny little pick, and we'll give it a go. I haven't cracked it yet, and I can't turn it round with a normal turner because it won't fit in. So I'll turn around one of these, just a tension wrench. Okay, and then we'll just see where the pick goes. Oh man, it's so dark I can't see myself. Just get it. Set quite a long way down in there. No, picked up 2 discs. So we'll try that again. But this time we'll space it out with a, this is a, I don't know, 5mm spacer, I think. Because I really only need to tension the top one. I can see that's going to be exactly the same. Okay, that's just one. We get it set up in the vise and I will be back. Okay guys, we're back. So, turn the torch off, get rid of that. Put the spacers back on. Pop it in. There we go. Tension on. Nice traverse of the keyway. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we can do. I didn't feel anything on that one at all, so I'm going to put it back. Go to the next one. That one's binding. All the way around, in fact. That's a bit strange. Oh, fell off. Leave that one there. Let's try the next one. Binding again. Okay, little clip there, I think. Definite click there and a bit of core movement. Nothing on that one either. Either slipped off or she's opened. Oh, there we go. She's open. So not too bad a little pick. Nice lock though. I'm sure if it was in a bigger size, I'd feel it was going to be a lot more secure. There's no false gates in it. But who the hell has a tool this small? Not many of us, I'm guessing. Anyway, guys, thanks for checking that out.